Okay, so today I'm officially trying out my lavalier microphone. So hopefully the audio sounds a hell of a lot better compared to my other one, since that is something I want to improve. I am going to try to improve my camera setup, but I don't know if that's going to happen anytime soon. Anyway, I'll just get this package out of the way. So this is my headphone setup. These are the ones I use when I'm out for a walk, or I want to use my phone to listen to some music. Now, this cable here failed. So I've had this for what, like 2 years? 2018 is when I got it, and it's 2020 now. So that's generally good. For like a $200 set of headphones, at least locally for me. But there's one particular reason I bought this particular headset. The cable's replaceable. So what I've done is I bought one of these after I purchased the headset, just in case they failed. And yeah, 2 years, and the failure was your standard sort of failure, which was down here between the joint where the cable ends and the headphone jack sort of hits up, or the TT, whatever you call it. Anyway, popped in the new cable and it works fine. So I recently ordered some replacement ones and some replacement muffs, which will hopefully be in here, or the ear muffs, the foam stuff on the, yeah, I didn't like. Anyway, they arrived and I thought about it, and while I'm in the middle of working on one video, I thought this would probably be easy to get out in a great little test, so let's give it a try. Now, I think this box is probably a tad on the overkill side, but when it comes to like protecting the stuff, this will most likely be like a, you can't argue with that. Okay, so yeah, it's just airbags. Yeah, so that came out all right. It's an invoice. I got to still buy another one of these. I wanted to do as a backup, but yeah, those are the muffs. So, I mean, the way I would have probably done it is like this. Invoice on top, and then wrap it around like that. That way, the bottom has got some cushioning, but in retrospect, I mean, that's fine. Having it on the bottom, there's nothing fragile in here that's going to break. I mean, you'd hope something like this wouldn't break during transit, and these are foam. So this took just over a week to get to me. You might be wondering, why invest in replacement of these? I mean, you got little marks here. I'm thinking maybe for another 2 to 4 years, these might fully sort of degrade, and I'm hoping that these headphones haven't broken by then so I can keep using them. Hence, I shouldn't need to buy another one of these, but yeah. As for this, I really wanted to buy 2, but it was going to cost me something like $160 all up, and I'm thinking, no. No, I'd love to, but the 100 I spent on this, I really shouldn't have. Still, something for the future. Anyway, that's how stuff looks when you order it from Sennheiser, although you've probably seen it in other videos because I've ordered other stuff from them, which I'm pretty sure I unpacked on this channel. But anyway, there's something done. Thanks for watching. Yibbity yibbida.